Eicher Motors, which came out with its numbers. Joining us right now is the MD of the company, Siddharth Lal. Siddharth, hi, morning. First, if you could walk us through what were the highlights of this particular quarter, what has been the top line as well as the margin growth?
Yeah, sure. We've had a very good quarter, and it's actually a year ending as well now. So in quarter four, we've had a good growth over last year, and our margins have stayed very strong. So we've had an expansion, a slight expansion of our margin from 9.7 to 9.8%. And for the entire year, our margin stands at 10.4%, which relates to an operating profit of nearly 600 crores on a revenue of 5,700 crores. So it's been a very strong year for us, 2011, and we're looking at a strong year coming up as well.
Morning, Siddharth. So for the quarter gone by, what were your operating profit margins, and are you confident of maintaining your current operating profit margins given the way how commodity prices, especially rubber and component prices, have gone up?
Yeah, I mean, some of the commodity prices are flattening out a bit, which is good for us and good for the consumers, clearly. And also the interest rates are sort of have, I believe, peaked out, so that should also help us a little bit in the sentiment of the commercial vehicle buyer in particular. So yeah, I think the outlook is reasonably positive from a couple of parameters. Though of course, you know, we have to look at the cyclicality of the CV industry. Is it going to hit us in 2012 or is it going to hit us in 2013? We're not sure as yet, but you know, there could be a sort of a little bit of a flattening out of the CV industry at some point.
Siddharth, the comment on the PAT as well that you've seen in the fourth quarter, and what kind of volumes did you clock as well?
Well, for the full year, we've actually had in commercial vehicles, we've been able to increase our volumes by over 10,000 units. So from around 37,000, we've gone up to around 48,000 units for the entire year. And with a larger chunk coming from Q4, that was a very good quarter. Similarly, in our motorcycle business, we've had a very strong volume development. So from 54,000, we've gone up to around 75,000 for the year. And again, we've had a very strong quarter four. So in the scheme of things, our profit after tax for the year has grown from around 300 crores to nearly 500 crores. So that's, you know, it's been the operating leverage, it's been various other improvements which have actually all kicked in simultaneously, and we've had a very good development on our profitability.
So Siddharth, how do you see demand panning out in heavy duty, the big 5-tonner trucks?
Yeah, so if you look at the entire CV industry from 5-ton and above, there are lots of different factors, and of course some of it is part of the cycle, which is a CV cycle, which is around 3 to 5 years of growth, and then maybe 1 or 2 years of stagnation or downturn. We seem to be at a reasonable point in the cycle where things are continuing to grow, and I expect them to continue to grow in 2012 because there's a reasonable demand building up from last year onwards. It may not be the 30-40% growth that we've seen in 2010, but it probably will be at least hopefully similar to what we've been facing in 2011. But the thing is that in Eicher, we've actually been able to outpace the industry. So a 5-ton plus growth in 2011 of 10% for the industry, but for Eicher we've had 25% growth. So really we've been able to outpace industry, we've been able to gain share in every single area. So light and medium duty we've gained share. Heavy duty, we started off at around 2%, we ended up at beyond 3%, and in fact terminally in December 2011 we've got a market share of 4.5%. So it's been a very good development. In buses we've grown from 6.5% to 9.5% market share. So all across we've had good market share development as well.
Siddharth, Royal Enfield as well has launched 2 new variants during the previous quarter. What has been the response for the new model, and what kind of bookings are you seeing currently in hand?
Well, our classic model is just roaring ahead. So it's doing phenomenally well. It's continuing to to really grow fast. At 60-70% last year over the year previous. So that's really become our mainstay now. Thunderbird 500, we've previewed that in the Auto Expo. We're going to launch it very soon in the next 3-4 months, and we certainly expect good volumes come out of that. The Cafe Racer had a phenomenal response in the Auto Expo, which is due out in the first half of 2013, and there's going to be a lot of action around that. It's a classic racing bike, very exciting, very nice looking. So we've had excellent responses, and that's why we've got the order books that we do.